Hello students, today we are starting poem number 6, The Duck and the Kangaroo, okay? And it's written by Edward Lear. Okay, this poem is about two friends, duck and the kangaroo, and they are about to set out on a long pleasure trip. The kangaroo, though happy to carry the duck all the way on the tip of his tail, as we are seeing in this picture. And what will the duck do to make kangaroo feel comfortable? Okay, over land and sea. Let us find out how they go about it. Okay, said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hop over the fields and water too, as if you never would stop. My life is born in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in this world beyond, and I wish I could hope like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. Okay, in this stanza, the duck said to the kangaroo, good gracious. He was expressing his The duck was expressing her feelings here, okay, and he said to the kangaroo that good gracious, oh my God, how you hop, आप कैसे hop करते, how you jump over the fields and the water, okay, and if you never would stop, my life and you would never stop, और आप रुकते भी नहीं हो, you would never stop. My life is very bored in this nasty pond, in this dirty pond, and I long to go out. I wish to go out in this world beyond. I wish I could also hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. Okay, please give me a ride on your back. So she is requesting to the kangaroo that please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo, and I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack. I will not say anything to you. मैं कुछ नहीं कहूँगी. I will keep quiet and say nothing but quack. Quack क्या उसकी साउंड क्या होती है? डक की quack. But quack quack करूँगी. Come to the next page. The whole of the long day through, we would go to the jolly bolly, over the land, over the sea. Please take me on a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo. Okay. The duck was planning here that they would go to the jolly bolly. These are the places the poet is telling here, over the land, over the sea, and she is requesting again that please take me on a ride. Said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires a little reflection. Reflection का मीनिंग वैसे इमेज होता है, बट यहाँ पे इसका मीनिंग क्या है? थॉट. दिस रिक्वायर्स अ लिटिल थॉट, कि मुझे थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा. परहैप्स ऑन द होल इट माइट ब्रिंग मी लक एंड दीज सिम्स बट वन ऑब्जेक्शंस. तो वो उसको ले जाने के लिए रेडी हो जाता है, बट वो कहता है कि मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम है. आई हैव वन ऑब्जेक्शन दैट विच इज़ दैट if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold. He told the duck that your feet are very dirty and wet and cold, and it give me rheumatism. Rheumatism a type of illness. तो एक बीमारी का नाम है. तो वो कहते हैं अगर तुम इस तरह मुझ पर ऐसे राइड करोगी, if you will ride on me, that it would probably give me a rheumatism, said the kangaroo. So he was worried, but said the duck, as I sat on rocks, I have thought over that completely. जैसे मैं rocks पे मतलब I sat on rocks, तो I have thought about that completely. I bought 4 pair of worsted socks. So here she is telling that I bought 4 pair of worsted socks, woolen socks, that and fit my web feet neatly, जो मेरे feet पर पूरी अच्छी तरह से fit हो जाएंगी. And to keep out of the cold, I have bought a clock. And to keep out the cold, I have bought a clock. Clock का मीनिंग क्या है? Sleeveless dress. Okay. So to keep out the cold, I have bought 4 pair of worsted woolen socks, and I have also bought a clock. Okay. And every day a cigar I will smoke. और रोज़ every day daily में क्या करूँगी? That I will smoke a cigar to keep out of the cold, all to follow my on dear true love of a kangaroo, said the kangaroo. I am ready. Kangaroo said that I am ready, or in moonlight pale, but to balance me well. तो हम रात में ही अपनी वी विल स्टार्ट अवर जर्नी, बट टू बैलेंस मी वेल डियर डॉग सिट स्टेडी, अच्छे से आप बैठना, सिट स्टेबल एंड टू क्वाइट एट द एंड ऑफ माई टेल, टेल के एंड पर, ओके। एंड सो अवे दे वेंट विद द हॉप एंड ए बाउंड, सो वो चला, दे वेंट विद द हॉप विद ए जंप एंड ए बाउंड, बाउंड मीन्स इट्स ऑल्सो मीन जंप, ओके। एंड दे हॉप्ड द होल वर्ल्ड 3 times राउंड, उन्होंने 3 times उनका पूरे वर्ल्ड का 3 times उसके राउंड लिए। एंड वो सो हैप्पी, ओ वो as duck and the kangaroo, so they were very happy, the duck and the kangaroo. So this is about this poem. I hope this is clear to you. You have to read it very carefully, okay students, and find out the difficult words of this poem. Thank you.